Turn the page, live your life every day. Don't let anybody stand in your way.
Hey, Mike Foster here. What do I have? I have OWYN. Only what you need. OWN. OWN. And this is a Mike Tries. This is, well, let me tell you a little about this. I've been looking for a protein drink that is not based on dairy. A lot of them are milk-based. That still gives you what you need, but also is healthy for you. And this is a vegan protein drink. It's called OWYN, only what you need. It's got 20 grams of protein. It comes in all different kinds of flavors. This one happens to be smooth vanilla. Let's tell you what's in this thing. Check it out. 100% protein based. It's got omegas, protein blend, pea protein, flax oil, seed protein, natural flavors, and then it's got broccoli, spinach, kale, monk fruit, and a little salt. Only 180 calories. It's got only 220 grams of sodium. It's got 5 grams of dietary fiber, 0 cholesterol. It's got 20 grams of protein. It's got a little potassium. It's got a little iron. Mike Tries. Guess what? If it doesn't taste good and you can't have to choke it down, who cares if it's whatever it's got in it? 180 calories to get 20 grams of protein. Good way to supplement your protein. Protein is one of the most important things you need in your diet, but you want to do it in a healthy way. Check out a lot of those other protein shakes and protein drinks. A lot of them are loaded with garbage that you don't want. This one is the real deal, but let's see what it tastes like. Here's a glass. Here's the shake. If you notice, it's a little darker. You can actually kind of see some of the green in there. Let's see what this, that's what it looks like. Well, if it doesn't taste good again, who cares? We'll see what it tastes like. Mike Tries, OWN, O-W, only what you need, OWYN. Salute. It's got a nice taste. I swear I taste some of those greens, but it tastes almost like almondy. It's got a nice woody taste to it. I don't taste that overwhelming milky taste that gives you that phlegm. If you don't like dairy and if you don't like milk, I'm a grown man, I don't drink milk. A lot of these other protein mixes are loaded with this milk. They're made out of milk protein. Who gives a crap? I don't want milk protein. I want this. This is awesome. 20 grams. You could choke this down once a day, twice a day, get your protein in while you're eating all this other healthy stuff. Wow, I like it. For more videos like this, check out Live Life 365 at my YouTube channel. Keep living life 365. Until next time, peace.
Live life 365.
Oh, I needed those to read. Mikey likes it. OWN. Oh. Let me read the instructions on here. Oh yeah, it's also say we milk plants, not cows. It's got everything you need. It's got essential amino acids too, low sugar, good source of fiber. Peace. I like it.